Some points on meditation, koans, and mindfulness. Is that art? A few things are occurrent and familiar to most all forms of meditation. Calmness of mind comes from two principles: paying attention and not thinking. Open meditation is being aware of everything that is happening, but not responding, which leads to choice awareness. While closed, concentrative meditation is directly focusing on one thing and not being in the moment. This type of meditation can bring beauty and awareness back into an object or concept that has otherwise grown dull. Whether you are meditating or even just living everyday life, if a distraction comes up, recognize that it has, and then return to the present moment. Let it come, let it be, let it go. A few other important things about breathing needs to be said. Try not to breathe. It's difficult. Meditation is peace, trying to calm chaos. Mindfulness is used to be more present and conscious in every moment of experience, awake or asleep. While a koan is a Japanese method to induce deep Zen thinking and questioning. They don't really have right answers. They're just meant to show that the person was able to see the nature of it. Beautiful little thought flowers, such as, what is your own mind? Or, who is asking this question? My favorite though, stop the moving boat. Or as I like to reframe it, is this river really flowing? Personally, I meditate whenever I can. A non-formal form of meditation seems to be how I get myself to sleep every night. When I actively try to meditate, it is usually with the intention to open my subconscious. It is a method I use to see and answer troubling moods and questions I encounter. It's almost as if you're speaking to your own soul, or rather, listening. Meditation, mindfulness, and presence in the moment to me is what defines consciousness. Being there, truly there. This has made me realize and confirm, at least for myself, one of the things I believed most of my life, that all is mind. Mentalism is the first hermetic principle, and we will cover this in another program on the channel, Is That Art? Thank you so much for listening, and if you find this helpful, please subscribe and share.